Let's move further from here. Amid escalating tensions with Pakistan, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to hold a meeting today at his residence shortly from now. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and other officials may be present in the meeting that comes days after a terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam district, and that claimed the lives of 26 people, tourists that is. Addressing the nation in his monthly Mann Ki Baat program, Prime Minister Modi stressed that perpetrators and conspirators of the attack will get a befitting reply. He appealed to the country to remain united during this tough time.
पूरा विश्व आतंकवाद के खिलाफ हमारी लड़ाई में 140 करोड़ भारतीयों के साथ खड़ा है। मैं पीड़ित परिवारों को फिर भरोसा देता हूं, उन्हें न्याय मिलेगा, न्याय मिलकर रहेगा। इस हमले के दोषियों और साजिश रचने वालों को कठोरतम जवाब दिया जाएगा।
The meeting comes just days after an all-party meeting on the attack in which the opposition expressed its full support to centre and called for stricter action against Pakistan. Member of Parliament from Congress Shashi Tharoor slammed Pakistan after Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's open to participating in neutral probe remark. He said, and I quote here, "You don't ask a murderer to investigate his own murders."
I will have no interest personally in Pakistan's participation in any investigation. You do not ask a murderer to investigate his own murders.
The threat of a nuclear war by one of Shehbaz Sharif's ministers drew a sharp response from the Member of Parliament from AIMIM, Asaduddin Owaisi, who reminded Pakistan that no country will sit quietly if it enters its territory and kills innocent people.
बार बार पाकिस्तान ये कहता है कि हम न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब हमारे पास है, एटॉमिक बॉम्ब है। याद रखिए, अगर आप किसी मुल्क के अंदर जाकर मासूम लोगों को मारेंगे तो कोई भी मुल्क खामोश नहीं बैठने वाला है, चाहे हुकूमत किसी की भी हो। मगर इस तरह से आकर हमारी भारत की सरजमीन पर हमला करना।
Meanwhile, the world is expressing solidarity with India, with demonstrations being held in multiple cities across the globe, including Washington, London, Frankfurt, Melbourne, and Toronto. The protesters expressed outrage over the killings. The demonstrators chanted slogans like "We want justice" and "Stop terrorism."